tires out and over.
Ooh. We've got fucking lots of cops. Oh, we're getting pulled over! By two of them! Hi.
Oh, you have a driver's license.
Yep.
Reason for the stop today is the loud exhaust.
Loud exhaust?
Yes. You still live in Minnesota at this address or
Yep.
anything like that?
Yep.
Right, where are you headed to today?
Right up here.
All right, could you step out of the vehicle for me real quick?
Opening the trunk. Get my shoes on.
Okay.
Get my shoes on. Helicopters out too, huh?
What was that?
Helicopters out too?
No, well, yeah. That looks like the med-flight helicopter.
Oh.
That's pretty bad. I live right on the river.
If you want to take that whole pack, you can.
Okay.
In case you decide to have more than one.
Okay, we here for a while?
We'll try to make it as quickly as possible.
Thank you. Been busy today?
Picking up.
Picking up.
Must be like Christmas for you guys.
Oh.
We're trying to get a t-shirt from every year I work this year.
I put all my stuff in that because it doesn't get wet.
Rain? I understand. You have a VCR along with you? I see you got some tapes.
A friend of ours is bringing a conversion van.
That's a good deal then.
Yeah. Ooh, mosquitoes.
They're big ones today. They have a CD player too?
Do we have one?
No, I was going to say that. Okay, I see where you have yours.
We don't need to be told, thank you.
Nope. You don't have to. Well, you have a lot of stuff in here, huh?
Oh, please don't take it all out. We're really good. We're okay. We don't have anything.
You don't have anything?
No.
I don't think we even have this many cops in Arnold County.
We just don't want to pack it all back in here.
I understand.
It's like a puzzle getting it all in the first place.
We don't normally work this way. We work more with
It's one of them deals, once you get it all packed in, you'll never get it back in.
Oh, I know. At the end of the weekend, we might as well just leave stuff. Last time we were here, we ended up doing that because it was so full.
Was it?
It gets all fluffed up, and then you can't get it all back in.
Yep, I hear you there.
Everything look good, officer?
Not yet. I'll look a little bit deeper.
That's fine. All these mosquitoes. Streaming Jason, stop. They probably got pulled over too.
Monday now? I was watching earlier this week and it said scattered showers for tomorrow.
What's the other thing for the day? If they sprinkle this morning, that was good.
That's cool. We're heading out on Sunday.
Nothing will fall out on me if I open it.
Actually, it will. Be very careful.
Very careful.
Both sides will fall out.
Hold
bag?
that bag, yeah.
great packers.
Yeah, well, experience tells me to
Can you
make
see
sure.
if Sauk County's Deputy Stoddard's here by any chance?
Stoddard?
Yeah, if he's free. He has a canine with him.
He's, they're up there right now.
Okay.
We're gonna have a dog through?
Well, it just speeds up the process.
Yeah.
Oh. Can you just bring the dog in and, like, not take everything out?
Well, we'll see.
VCR in the van, like we said.
I used to watch that when I was a kid. Liar, Liar, good movie, huh?
Yep.
At least you guys came prepared by putting everything in plastic bags. You learned from last year?
Well, that's only
All
me.
the previous years.
All the previous years?
Every year I go camping, I'm just a little bit better than the year before.
See, I'm one of these, on Memorial Day, it's always that deal that I never, ever...
Get a day off?
I always go. No, I always go, but it always rains kind of deal.
Oh, that's the law. It has to rain on this weekend.
Yes, it does. It's like tradition. It's like snow when everybody comes up to the field house for...
Oh, mosquitoes. God. Looks like the 4th of July when you look down the road.
What is this?
Oh, I'm in school for broadcast.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Were you up in Minnesota?
Brown Institute.
Brown Institute?
Hello!
We're the Victory Notch folks.
All right.
Did you give permission to search?
No.
Did they? No.
Well, I told them they could do it quick over there. Ain't nothing in it.
Well, you can stop them anytime you want. It's a really powerful feeling. You say, "Officer, I consented to the search voluntarily, and now I decline." Anytime you want, you can stop that up.
Headphones.
You can do it right now if you want.
All right.
As soon as I get a couple more mosquito bites, I might do that.
They're good ones too, aren't they?
Yeah. Part of the tuition.
Is it?
Yeah.
How much school is nowadays? You have to have that, you know?
Yeah.
They have to give you some freebies here.
Well, it's not really free. It's just already paid for.
I still get to pay for it. It's just added in the price.
Ooh, is this our canine unit?
I can't use
What?
that at dogs now.
What are these?
I can show you quick.
I do not know what the name is, but I know...
I hear so many different names for them, I couldn't even tell you what to call them.
What have you heard?
Crystal sticks, devil sticks, rhythm sticks, fire sticks.
I'm sure some people have...
I go with sticks. They're sticks. It's 3 of them.
Canine sticks. Okay.
Hey! Hey!
Yep.
Yeah, we are.
There go the guys with all the stuff.
Oh, you guys get pretty cool boots to wear.
Actually, we have to buy those.
Oh.
Kind of like the headphones.
Yeah.
You need them, but you gotta buy them.
Get more out or what? I give him a little break.